Good morning, hello everybody, welcome. It's Wednesday, the 20th of May 2020, and it's time for phonics. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to build some words using different spellings of the R sound, okay? So, let's get straight down to it. The first word I want you to build is a two-syllable word, and it's the word refuse, okay? Refuse. So to refuse to do something, to say no. Refuse, refuse. Two syllables. Okay. And we say of course. E, re. U, z. Refuse, and of course in refuse we're looking out for that spelling of the R sound, and we have refuse, and it's the R spelling of R, like we've had so far this week. One of our R spellings. Refuse. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, two syllables again. And the word is going to be mirror. Mirror. So these are the sounds that you need for the two-syllable word mirror. Okay, so remember, pause any time, give yourself more time, and then join in again when you're ready. And we say I, me, r, or. Raw, me, raw, mirror, mirror. Now, we've got the double R spelling of R in the middle of the word mirror. So let's add that to our list here. Mirror, mirror. Okay. Let's have this word. Okay, the word is rhythm. 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 And we say r, I, the Y spelling of I, v, rhythm, rhythm. And we have the RH spelling in rhythm. Okay, these are the sounds that you need to build the word wrong. Wrong. Okay, remember to say the sounds and build the word. And we say r, o, wrong, wrong. And we have two letters, one sound again. We have the WR spelling of r. So four spellings so far, but just one sound. We have R on its own, double R, RH, and WR, all spelling the same R sound in words, okay? So let's try this one. Two-syllable word this time, and these are the sounds that you need to build the word rocky. The ground was rocky. 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 And we say r, o, rock, e, rocky, rocky. And we've got the R spelling again, haven't we, on its own there. Okay. The next word is narrow. narrow. 2 syllables, narrow, narrow. And we say n, a, na, r, o, ro, na, ro, narrow. And we've got the double R spelling there. Remember that the double R spelling usually occurs in the middle of a word, doesn't it? As the starting sound of the second syllable in 2 syllable words that we've had, like carrot, Harry, hurry, lorry, mirror, and now narrow, narrow, with the double R spelling. Okay, so let's try and use that to spell the word berry. Now I won't give you the sounds. I want you to try and spell the word berry, bearing in mind what we just said about that double R spelling, okay? So 2 syllables, berry, berry. I'm gonna try, say the sounds, and let's check what you've got. We say b, e, be, r, e, re, and we've used that double R spelling for the second syllable in berry. Berry, berry, with our Y spelling of the E sound on the end. Okay, good. What about the word rusty? 2 syllables, rusty, rusty. Okay, we say r, a, e, rusty, rusty. And we've got the R spelling of again. Few more here before we move on. Let's just come back to, okay, the word is wrong, not right, but wrong. Okay, and we have wrong, wrong, with the WR spelling of again, which usually occurs at the beginning of words, doesn't it? We've had the word wrong, we've had the word rapper yesterday, rest, wreck, as in a shipwreck, all with this WR spelling as the starting sound in the word. And the same goes for the RH spelling, with words like rhino and rhythm and rhubarb, often at the beginning of words with the sound. Okay? So let's have 2 more for today. Let's have the word string. So these are the sounds that you need for the word string. String, string. And we say string, string. Okay? Now can you use what you just did with the word string, and can you write the word strong? Strong. Being sure not to miss out any of those sounds. Strong. And I want you to check if I do this right, okay? So strong. Watch what happens if I don't say the sounds. Okay, what's the problem? Read the word. Stong. That's not the word I wanted to write. I wanted to write the word strong, so I've missed a sound, haven't I? Where do I need to put that r sound? That's right, it needs to go in here, doesn't it? Between the t and the o. So now we have st, r, o, strong. Now if I said the sounds, I would have remembered that, because I would have thought st, o, no, sto, no, str, Str, or, So that's why it's so important that you say the sounds as you write the words if you're not sure, okay? And read it using the sounds to check. So strong. Now can you write the word spring? Spring, spring. Okay, and we say spring. Spring, spring. Okay, good work. Okay, last one for today. The word is wreath. So you might lay a wreath of flowers on special occasions, like Remembrance Day and Christmas. You might have a Christmas wreath that you put on your door. The word is wreath. Wreath. With WR spelling of R. Okay, good. So let's move along now. So I want you to get a new piece of paper or a new space on your whiteboard ready to work. And we're going to be reading and sorting again different spellings of the Z sound. Okay, so what you'll need to do is get yourself 4 sections again, like we did yesterday. Doesn't have to be neat. Sorry, 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3. So I'm just going to have 3 columns today, but it's up to you. 2 vertical lines with a space at the top for some headings. Okay, but you might like to organise it in a different way. It doesn't have to be neat, remember, just as long as it's organised and you can see that there are different sections on your page or on your whiteboard. Okay, so you know how this works. I'm going to write a word here. They all will have 1 or maybe 2 Z sounds in them, and your job is to sort them into this table, isn't it, according to their spelling of that Z sound. We've done this before. Okay, so the first word is, we might have had some of them before, that's okay. Okay, the word is cries. Cries. The baby cries a lot. So it's your job now to highlight the Z sound and to put it into one of those sections. And I'm going to use that S as my first heading for the Z sound. And I write K, R, I, Z, cries. Say the sounds to read the word, cries, cries. The next word is 2 syllables. Okay, after 3, 1, 2, 3. Surmise, surmise. Now to surmise, remember, means to draw a conclusion, to come to a judgment about something. So I looked out of the window and I surmised I should wear shorts today. I decided, I came to the conclusion. Surmise, so what are we trying to do? We're trying to spot that Z sound spelling. It's not here, because this is a S sound. Surmise. So of course it's at the end, isn't it? It's the S-E spelling, so that's our second heading. And we say S-I-Z. Surmise. So now, so far, we have 2 different spellings, but the same Z sound that we've been able to read in those words, okay? 3 syllables now. Now, can you remember this word? I'm going to put some syllable lines underneath just in case. If you can read it, great. If you're not sure yet, don't worry, this will help. Okay, so let's try. The word is 1, 2, 3. Incisors. In-si-zs. So those are a type of tooth, aren't they? Your incisors. Now, there are two z sounds in incisors. Have you spotted them? In, si, zz, zz. So it's that S, isn't it? Z, z. Incisors. And we say in, I, si, z, or z. Zors. Incisors. Incisors. Good. What about... Okay, let's have this one. 2 syllables after 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Dazzled. And over to you. We can see that we've got the double Z spelling there, that's right. So we pop that in our third section. And we can build the word into that section now. And we say d, a, da, z, l, d. Zuld, da, zuld, dazzled. Okay, what about this word? 1, 2, 3. Legs. Over to you. Of course, we say l, e, g, z with the S sound spelling. 2 syllable word. I'm going a bit quicker now, but up to you to pause if you need more time, okay? After 3, the word is 1, 2, 3. Jazzy, good. Over to you. Where does that need to be? Good. We say j, a, ja, z, jazzy, jazzy. What about easy? 1, 2, 3. Eggs. I've got that S spelling of Z as the syllable at the end. E-g-z. Eggs. Let's have a 3 syllable word now. Let's have... I'll put the syllable lines on if you're not sure. So, go for it if you're confident. Okay, after 3, the word is 1, 2, 3. Customize. Customize. K, st, o, st, I, z, mise. Customize. Customize means to personalize something, make it your own, put your own stamp on it. Customize. Okay, good, and we've got the SE spelling at the end there in customize. So we say k, a, k, st, o, st, I, z. Customize. Okay, last one for today. One, 2, 3. Good. Drizzled. Over to you. And we say d, r, I, z, l, d. Drizzled. Drizzled. Okay. Let's move on to the last part of today. Now, if you're rubbing these out, you're going to rub them out one sound at a time and read the word. If you're if you've written this on paper, I want you to use your finger and just read each sound in each word before we move on, okay? So, k, eyes, eyes, some eyes, and so on. And get your board rubbed out and ready for the next job, or get yourself some new paper when you've read those words. It's all about reading using those sounds, okay, to get them into our memory. So, okay, the sentence, when you're ready, that we're going to write together today goes like this. Jack told funny jokes from his comic book as I scoffed a pickled egg. Okay? Jack told funny jokes from his comic book as I scoffed a pickled egg. Okay, our turn together. Jack told funny jokes from his comic book as I scoffed a pickled egg. See if you can remember. Okay, so let's try. Remember that you can pause to give yourself more time to think, okay? So don't rush. I'm going to go a little bit quicker, but pause if you need to. Try every word yourself before you check with me, okay? And change what you need to change. So let's write the first 4 words, which are Jack told funny jokes. Jack told funny jokes. Off you go. Okay, my turn. Let's see. Jack. J. A. K. Jack told. T. A. U. D. Told. Funny. F. E. Knee. Funny. Funny. Jack told funny jokes. J. O. K. S. J. O. K. S. Okay, so what have we got so far? We've got the CK spelling of K in Jack and the KE spelling of K in jokes. Okay, so let's carry on. So the next few words, Jack told funny jokes from his comic book. Good, well remembered. So have a try. From his comic book. Okay, my turn. From. From his. Is his comic. Comic book. Okay, so what have we got there so far then? Jack told funny jokes from his comic with 2 C spellings of k, b, k, with the K spelling. Good, well remembered. Just check those and change anything that you need to. Jack told funny jokes from his comic book. Okay, the last 6 words. As I scoffed a pickled egg. Okay, as I scoffed a pickled egg. Your turn? Okay, my turn. As I, capital I, it's me. As I scoffed. Scoffed a pickled pickled, p, pickled, egg. So what have we got there to finish off? As I scoffed, with the C spelling of k in scoffed, pickled with the CK spelling, egg, stop mark. Let's read it back. Jack told funny jokes from his comic book as I scoffed a pickled egg. Now if you need to just change any of those k sounds that you didn't quite remember from last week, that's fine. Just take some time to change those, and the more we practice, the more we'll remember, okay? So that's it for today, and I'll see you back here same time tomorrow. Okay, have a good day, kids. Bye.